Hey everybody, it's Stefan Mischook with KillerSites.com. In this video, I want to introduce you to this new trend of gaming and e-learning or web learning. Basically, what we see happening now is, companies are producing distance learning systems, stuff that, for the web, and they're injecting gaming ideas and gaming principles into the systems. The idea is to make learning more like a game, and it will allow people to learn more easily. And that is the case, actually. So we've done this ourselves with Killer Sites University, where we're combining ideas that I actually picked up from popular video games like Halo and Call of Duty, things that you see on the Xbox and the PS3, and we've implemented these ideas and combined them with part of our collection of video training tutorials on PHP, JavaScript, basic web design, and so on. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough of what I mean by the gaming principles, and so we'll take a look. So first of all, we have our list of courses here, and so pretty cool. So let's go to how KSU works. So essentially, after the user signs up, they create an account, etc. The way the system works, you create the account and then you subscribe to a course, it's like enrolling in a course, and you watch videos, and in between the videos you have a certain number of questions that you're asked by the system. They could be multiple choice questions, they can be code completion questions, as I have pictured here. And the thing is as you go through the system is tracking your progress, much like if you were playing a video game. The video game would be tracking your progress, and depending on how well you answer the questions, etc., you accumulate points. So, like for instance, this particular question in the PHP Tag Cloud course, it's worth a base of 100 points. And if you get it right away, you submit the solution for this particular question right away, you get the full 100 points. But if you submit solutions, in here you have to actually type out code. You're asked a question, open a connection to a database using MySQLi. And so you type out the code, and if you get it right, you get the 100 points. If you don't get it right, you lose 5 points. And it works in that way. It even has a help system, hinting system, where you can get hints as to what the answer is. But again, the hints cost you points. In this case, it costs you 25 points per hint. So the idea is that with the gaming scoring idea, with the scoring idea implemented in the system, it encourages the user to think about what they're doing and to try to really, get the answer right away. But at the same time, I've incorporated some basic ideas that I believe in, and one of them is that in real life, people don't succeed the first time. In fact, they fail many times. And the difference between people who are successful and people who are not, it has much more to do with people who are successful, they keep trying over and over again. Whereas those who are unsuccessful try once and they fail, or they never try. So we're always encouraging in our system for people to keep trying. So that's why when you try an answer and you get it wrong, you only lose 5 points. But if you go for a handout, you lose 25 points. In addition to the points, we have something called the badges. Now here we are. Here's a sample profile. You notice these badges here. And badges are kind of, think about Cub Scout badges or Scout badges. And in video games like Halo or Call of Duty or something, they're I forget what they call it. They're called badges or rewards. And as you do tasks, and you're exceptional, if you will, within the system, you can unlock these badges. And there's a lot of them. So if I go to our badges page, points and badges, here we go. So far, we have, these are our courses, and for each course that you complete, you can think of them as a level in a video game. For each course that you complete, you get a badge. And then we also have activity badges, basically, first lesson completed, first chapter. If you complete an entire chapter without hints, you get the no hints badge, and et cetera, et cetera. And we're going to be developing more badges as the system matures. So there you go. By integrating the whole gaming experience within the context of learning a technology, or anything really, we encourage the user to engage with the system more, to pay more attention to what they're doing, and hopefully they'll learn more quickly.